First, place the display screen. Computer host. Mouse and keyboard correctly. And then connect the cable between the system and the computer. The system side of the machine. And the USB jack on the computer side. Then, connect the power cord correctly, according to the mark displayed on the terminal plate. The three red wires from left to right are the leave wires. The blue wire is the neutral wire. The voltage between the red wires is 380 V plus or minus 10. The voltage between the neutral wire and the leave wire is 220. And then the terminal block cover is fastened. Power on test. First turn on the switch when turning on, and then quickly start the emergency stop to see if the inside of the electrical box is normal. For the ground wire, we need to use a wire that is not less than 4 square meters to reach a depth of more than half a meter underground. Then install the software. Install the Mach3 system software according to the CD and installation video we provided. Copy the replacement file to change the motor parameters. The machine tool is formed. Then back to the machine origin to test whether the direction of movement is correct and the rotation speed of the spindle. Then test the tool setting. First insert the tool setting instrument and then place it directly under the spindle. Then input M930 in the MDM mode. The tool will be automatically set. This is the process of tool setting. Clearing is to move the spindle to the middle surface and start clearing.